Hey, hi there. Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Guess what, guys? Just want to share to you what I have done this weekend. Pretty much, I had a chance to actually pick up my brother, two brothers, and my nephew over the weekend, and gave them a ride on the Golf R, and see what the reaction will be in the process. This segment is all about just getting those guys a test drive and get their impressions on their first ride. So anyhow, stay tuned.
Goodbye, guys.
That's pretty powerful, man. I guess I can say I never crashed.
Paddle shifting too, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Let's go!
Chill out.
Woo!
Sorry, man. You get that?
That's a nice
It's pretty
rush.
straight, so and there's no one here.
Damn, that's a nice rush.
There's this launch control as well.
Yeah.
We can try it. It's a little bit heavy right now, but we can try it.
Yeah, okay.
So no one in front of us, right?
No one's behind us either, we're good.
So basically what you do is you put this in, turn this stabilizer on, so then you go
Hit the brake.
hit the brake. Ready? There's a really good brake on this too. So.
Oh yeah, that's strong. Oh god. You guys okay in the back there?
You guys good? Are you okay, guys?
We're drivers, we're not passengers.
We don't do this.
If you do it in your truck too, that thing's basically 400 horsepower.
Yeah.
My dad's done it. Oh my god. It's clear? Clear? Yeah, you're good.
The one behind me? Okay.
No, but that wasn't my job to tell them that, was it?
That's it. That's all it is. That's a stock 300 horsepower.
Jesus.
And then you can go back to comfort if you want. So you'd be more comfortable ride.
Wow. That's crazy.
Storm.
So do you put regular or premium in this car, do you know?
Yeah,
Yeah.
The 94.
Wow.
7-speed, and it's just never ending, right? Like it just
Yeah.
keeps going. Like you can hit it around 100, and it just keeps going. Like right now, you can pull from 100, right? Like
Yeah.
This is 100 right now.
Damn. Oh God, let's go.
This guy, one guy hit 100, 300, right?
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, this one can go up to 300. I've never tried. The highest I've been is 200.
I'm just enjoying. I'm taking videos too. My last one test. I didn't know what we were getting into here.
You guys good?
Oh yeah.
It was awesome.
Your life flashing by you?
I've never been that fast. That's pretty safe to say.
Picture this one. Once I go hybrid turbo with ECU tune and DSG tune on this baby, the max you can go is 530 horsepower
Jesus Christ.
on this little turbocharged engine. No modification whatsoever on the engine. You don't have to touch the engine at all.
Jesus.
All you need is a downpipe and a turbo, intercooler, and intake, of course. And that's it. That's all you need. And probably bigger brakes, because once you got like double the horsepower, now those brakes that I have definitely don't work as well as it still works, but you can't stop, right?
Yeah.
Can you imagine how fast that goes in a 500 horsepower car? There's one guy that owns. Actually, there's few 500 horsepower Golf R. That's insane.
That's where the
Look, I mean,
Brembo brakes come in.
I'm okay with the way this car is. I like, but you need more, right?
Yeah.
So right now, let me see what the temperature is on this, because I gotta. The thing with the turbo is that you gotta let it kind of cool down. Yeah, it's not bad. 100 degrees. After we pulled like so hard, it's still 100 degrees. It's not so bad.
What's the bad temperature for that turbo?
Oh, 150, 200. It's not good.
Yeah,
You
okay.
definitely gonna get heat soak.
Taking too long of a break.
My lives are full now.
Oops.
The lives here. The other one, this one here is just only like.
The W on Candy Crush.
Oh, it's not Candy Crush now. I'm playing something.
It looks like Candy Crush.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Wow. May still plays that, right? I'm like, I think you must be leading now because you don't know I'm playing.
Yeah, I gave up on it. When I got to the levels I can't freaking beat now, okay, forget it.
I like when it.
This one, yeah.
I like when it
Yeah.
does the
It's all
engine
these
brake.
things.
Yeah.
Same kind of thing, but you just gotta get rid of all these things and then you get on the next level, right? You know how normally it's like the brothers encouraging the other brothers to get drive fast. It's the brothers sitting in the back and the nephew in the front doing the encouraging. Go
What's that?
faster, go
well, I hope you liked the video. As usual, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you again.